Welcome to this short presentation about our ideal breakfast concept and how you can actually feel the benefit in just a few days. What did you have for breakfast today? No breakfast? Cereal, porridge, bread, yogurt, or a full English breakfast with eggs, bacon, coffee, etc.? Our lifestyle survey shows that people's habits vary tremendously. If you don't eat during the first hour after you wake up, we don't consider it breakfast. Breakfast actually means breaking the fast. So it's important to have something as soon as or within the hour when you wake up. 48% of the people in the UK have no breakfast. And 47% of people in the UK have a sugar-based breakfast. Of all the people that have taken a lifestyle survey, we see 95% has relatively bad breakfast habits. Now see this graph, this chart in front of you, these squiggly lines. As you can see, with a sugar-based breakfast, your insulin levels are high, your sugar levels are high, but then mid-morning you end up with a dip and you feel hungry. Well, you're not hungry, it's just your brain is telling you it needs something. And what do? We reach out for that sugary snack, chocolate bar, biscuits if you're working in the office, a coffee. So you can see this dip. Now with no breakfast at all, you're going to be hungry. And people think, oh well, that's fine, I'll eat something later on. But that means that your body is starved of the vital minerals and nutrients that it needs first thing in the morning. So you can see with that chart that you're hungry, then you have something to eat, your blood sugar levels go up, your insulin levels go down, and it's a yo-yo. So what is an ideal breakfast? And that's why you're here. So what should an ideal balanced breakfast do for you? Well, importantly, it should supply your body with all the essential nutrients, supply your body with water, keep your blood sugar levels in check, provide the body with balanced energy, and maintain and build lean muscle mass. We all know that you have these blood sugar levels and insulin level peaks and troughs for a long time. It can cause, ultimately, diabetes. It's also important that you eat enough protein in your breakfast, which makes it easier to maintain lean body mass, and also muscles burn calories faster than fat itself. The ideal meal. Every meal that you eat should be balanced, and the calories normally are made up of 30% from protein. I mean, that could be your chickens, your fish, mushrooms have protein, nuts. That's your good proteins. Carbohydrates, we recommend brown bread, brown pasta, brown rice, some potatoes. And fat. Yes, we do need fat, and we don't mean burgers from well-known places. But your body needs good fat, i.e. avocados is a very good example of good fat. When it comes to protein, women should have a minimum of 75 grams per day and men at least 100 grams a day. This obviously varies dependent on your lifestyle. People who participate in sports activities will need more protein. Water. We don't drink enough water. And did you know that your body should consist of 60 to 70% of water? Now, you may have experienced some of these illnesses, complaints. You know, you've got weight gain, fatigue, migraines, constipation, muscle cramps, increased blood pressure, kidney problems, dry skin and mouth. That's mostly attributed to lack of water. And medically, we've been told we should drink between 2 to 3 litres a day. But let's face it, we don't. Now, aloe vera. Who's heard of aloe vera? We start our ideal breakfast by drinking a large glass of water. But a lot of people don't like water. Aloe vera has many medical properties. Mainly for us, it cleanses the system and helps with digestion. We have various flavours. We have original, one with a hint of citrus and mango. I must stress though that the aloe vera does not form part of the trial pack, but After that, should you wish to upgrade to one of our main programs, then we can introduce the aloe and explain in greater detail how that can benefit you medically. Now, going through the trial, or the trial pack, you have Formula 1. It does come in 10 delicious flavours, and some are vegan friendly as well. Now, these are a complete meal in itself. It contains the essential nutrients. It helps maintain lean body mass. It's tasty and convenient, so versatile. You can mix it with anything. Again, we would guide you through how to mix and how to blend and what you could put in with it. Now, I have one every day as part of my breakfast, and I vary it. I use either a soya-based milk, almond, occasionally skimmed milk. I add yogurt, some fruit, and occasionally I will add flax seeds and other properties in, so you can mix quite a lot of things with it. Instant herbal beverage. Now, this does contain caffeine, but not as much as in coffee itself. It can help you with alertness, concentration, and importantly, it breaks down body fat, and your fat is stored energy. You can drink it hot or cold, makes no difference, and it does come in various flavours. Original with a hint of citrus, there's lemon, there's raspberry, and there's peach. So what's in the Herbalife 6-day trial pack? It consists of 6 Formula 1 meals, 6 servings of instant hot beverage. We will also send you some information on how to mix the shake, so you're not left there on your own and thinking, what am I supposed to do with this? What's the purpose of the trial pack? Twofold. One, to discover how good the shakes and tea tastes, and how convenient it is to use as a breakfast, and hopefully you'll get some health benefits from it straight away. We've had customers who, after the 6 days, have actually felt more energetic. There's no obligation to do anything further after the trial pack has finished. And you can then decide if this is a breakfast that you would like to continue with, and we can then introduce you the different flavours, different methods of making a healthy, nutritious shake. So what can Herbalife do for you and your family? We're not scientific people. All we've done, we started just like you, had the first product, first shake. Once we realised how good we feel, of course you want to introduce it to other people. It's like if you went to cinema and saw a good film, of course you'd want to recommend that to your friends. Well, why not recommend Herbalife? We all know people who could benefit from a little bit of a healthier lifestyle. What we tend to do is, if, for example, you're using the product and you're really noticing a difference, well, we can show you a way where you can actually obtain the products at a much reduced rate. And it varies from about 25 to about 42% discount on your own order by just sharing the products and the knowledge with your friends and family. So who's the ideal breakfast for? Well, anybody that wants to be leaner and firmer, healthy aging, wants more vitality, alertness, sports, muscle. Basically, Herbalife is for everyone. The way I look at it, you wouldn't put rubbish fuel in a highly tuned sports car. Our bodies are highly tuned. So why feed it with substandard fuel? Now, we also have something called the loyalty program. Every time you order a product through somebody's link, you would actually then obtain a loyalty points, i.e. similar to some well-known supermarkets. You can then use that points, or those points, to offset a cost of your products. And in some instances, you may be able to obtain products for free. But that is something we will explain later on. Would you like to become Herbalife VIP customer? One way of sharing the possibility to have a free trial pack with others is to share our lifestyle survey with your friends. A survey like you've taken. When somebody wants a free trial, we deliver the trial pack and do the same presentation as you are having now, either through this DVD or in person. If one of these or some of these people want to become customers, we deliver the products and follow up to help that person get the best results. So you don't have to do anything. When you've referred 2 customers, we can call you an ambassador or a VIP customer. Not only do you get extra reward points that you can trade in for a free product or products, but now you have the possibility to register as a Herbalife member, and you can have a minimum of 25% discount on all your future purchases. If you'd like to share the lifestyle survey with your friends, we can resend you the link and you can forward that on to them. If you then decide to become a Herbalife member, as I previously mentioned, you've now got the opportunity to increase your discount from 25% to 50%. Would an extra £500 to £1,000 a month part-time make a difference? And this is exactly what I did. I started off as a customer, loved the product so much, I had a fantastic energy result. I decided, well, why not share it with some friends? They bought some products, and the more they buy and you buy, your volume will go up, your discount will go up. By recommending the trial pack to a few people, you can finance your own product consumption. How easy is that? You're actually eating for free and earn extra income on the side. But the choice is yours. Okay, so when you receive your sample pack or trial pack, we'd like you to start straight away. There's no point waiting till tomorrow. It's a breakfast, and especially for people who don't eat breakfast, we show you through videos and instruction how you can make a quick breakfast in 60 seconds. So there are no excuses. During this trial period, we will be keeping in constant touch with you. So you won't be on your own. You won't have to guess how to mix a shake. We'll explain how that's done. And normally we'll contact you the first day to see how you got on, the 4th day. And then after the 4th day, we can have a conversation to determine if you'd like to get started with a full breakfast program and what flavours you'd like to have. All you have to do is share the lifestyle survey and recommend the trial pack to others. Start to think about who you might know that may want to increase their energy levels, always complaining they're tired, maybe want to shed a pound or 2 or more. Have an active lifestyle. People who frequent the gym. All we'll then do is give you a link to the lifestyle survey to share along with a suggested text that you can actually send with it. Good luck on your trial, and hopefully you will at the end of it feel a little bit healthier, maybe a bit stronger, slimmer and full of vitality. Good luck.